Hey guys, Captain Chris Knapp here with Blue Water Cruising Boats. Today we're on a Sundance. Sundance is a 2004 Lagoon 440. Sundance is a 2004 Lagoon 440. She's been repowered recently with Yanmar, the 40 horsepower, and she's got SD60 Saildrives. All of that has right about 100 hours on it. She also has a 9 kilowatt Northern Lights generator with about 750 hours. Let's go take a look at her. One of the great features on the Lagoon 440 is going to be this Flybridge. You've got great commanding views from up here. You can see all the corners of your boat. You've got this custom bimini top, which, as you know, they don't come factory with. So this is a very nice upgrade. They've got the Raymarine electronics, VHF radio over here, throttle controls. You've got your Yanmar gauges, easy access, easy viewing, along with all of your winches right here at the helm. We do have a power winch for your main, and the others are all manual. Very nice layout on the Lagoon 440. Let's go take a look at the starboard side. One of the really nice features of these Lagoons is the width of the walkway up here. Lots of room, lots of stability, very wide open space for moving around. Here we are in the bow of the Lagoon 440. As you'll notice, we have large trampolines, easy access to the Delta anchor and chain. In here, you've got your Lofran's windlass, along with your windlass controls here for easy up and down. You do have a generous, large seating area here for enjoying your sunsets and cocktails. Table area right here. And then underneath, you've got your storage, along with big water tanks, room for all your lines, hoses, fenders, bumpers. And then over here is where you fill that water tank. Very, very nice area to hang out, relax, especially when the breeze is in your face. Just a really nice sitting area. As we come down to the port side of this lagoon, you'll notice nice wide walkways again. The standing rig on this particular vessel has been recently inspected and serviced and given a clean bill of health. And now let's go step into our cockpit and take a look. Welcome to the salon of the Lagoon 440. First thing you'll notice is going to be the large wraparound seating. Plenty of room for you and all your guests. Large table. You do have this beautiful hardtop. Hardtop is so important when you're out on anchor for the weather protection, the sunshade. Speaking of sunshade, you'll notice these beautiful screens all the way around. Great sun protection while allowing airflow to breeze through. Over here you've got your sink. You've got a refrigerator in here. And then your generator, it sits right underneath this seat right here. As you come in from the cockpit into the salon, you do have a full-size sliding glass door, allows for easy access in and out. As we pivot over to the starboard side, of the vessel, this is where your galley is. So you've got your new refrigerator here. You've got stainless steel countertop and sink, lots of cabinets and storage up top. You've also going to have your electric oven and toaster oven. You've got a electric induction cooktop that comes up right here on top of the cutting board. Microwave here. As we pivot around towards the front of the vessel, we're going to have your isotherm. It's got a 4-section freezer here, your nav station, and then it rolls right into your seating area in the salon. So not only do you have the full wraparound seating, you've got the extra bench here. Right now we're featuring the coffee table. Some of you may know Lagoon has an option where you have a coffee table or a dining table here. They store that conveniently in the ceiling out there in the salon, and it just switches out. So you can have a dining table here, a dining table in the salon. However you want to set it up, this boat's ready for your options. Let's go take a look at the port hull on this boat. As we come down into the port hull, it's going to feature 2 staterooms and 2 heads. Let's start with the aft stateroom. Aft stateroom does feature a queen size bed, and as you notice, there's lots of head clearance in here. I'm 5'10", so I'll give you an idea just how much room you have. So the door for your stateroom is actually out here, so this is an ensuite head. Your ensuite head is going to feature a manual Jabsco toilet. It is a wet head. It does have LED lighting, several towel hooks, and your own opening hatch for ventilation. As we come forward on the port side hull, this is where you have access to your day head, and then you come even further forward into our forward stateroom where you're going to have a full-size bed. You do have air conditioning with a fan and a large window for natural lighting. The port side forward cabin does feature an ensuite as well. It does the shared day head. Currently it is being renovated as they were looking to convert that into a laundry room. Let's go on over to the starboard side hull and take a look over there. As we come over to the starboard hull, I do want to let you know that this boat features 5 air conditioners, one for each stateroom and another one for the salon. Let's come down here to the starboard. We're going to look at the aft cabin first. As we come into the starboard side hull, we're going to go back to the rear, which is considered the master on this boat. It does have the ensuite head, which is a twin of the other side. You've got a full-size hanging locker in here, large windows, nice big queen-size bed, with places on both sides to charge your cell phones or have a bottle of water at night. And we do have a television in here as well. As we come onto the starboard side forward cabin, you're going to pass your guest ensuite head right here. And then you're going to notice that they've got this being used as kind of a utility or storage area. They haven't done any construction. All I've done is remove the mattress and made this wide open storage. So if you want to use this as another stateroom, install mattress, you're good to go. No construction needed. Had a great day today out on the water on Sundance, heading back into the dock. If you'd like more information on her, please drop us a message, shoot us an email, give us a call. All the details will be in the link below. Thanks so much for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Have a great day.